So this contest was a collaboration with Ford and Sydney Sweeney. Sydney Sweeney actually designed this car. It has her custom heart bolt emblem here on the side, and also on the inside the starry light sky was her design as well. And so I came across this on Instagram, and the contest was to write a story about how you've challenged expectations. I started reading through all of the other amazing women's comments and like all of the ways that they've challenged expectations. I just got so inspired and passionate, and it turned into just like this passion project and like love letter to all the women who have also challenged expectations. And it was a very cool, very powerful experience for me to have participated. Just writing the story was like a win for me. And then obviously like this is a big one. Sydney Sweeney, I've always been a fan of hers, and it wasn't until recently that I found out that she grew up in a family of mechanics, and she was super interested in cars, and she fixed up a Bronco over the pandemic, and she had a 1965 Mustang. Like, what isn't there to love about Sydney Sweeney? And she's truly working so hard to bring normalcy to women in the automotive industry. And I just find that so inspiring, and like, I hope that I can do that too. It's such an honor to have been selected out of 5,000 incredible other people who have also challenged expectations. I'm most looking forward to 486 horsepower.